Assalamu alaikum everyone, welcome back to the channel. So today we are going to make Mexican tacos. Before starting the video, please like, share and subscribe my channel. Let's start. Now in a pan add 3 tablespoons of oil and add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Now add 2 breast pieces of chickens cut in cubes as shown. Now next add the masalas: Chinese salt, black pepper, haldi, red chili, chaat masala, red chili flakes, nor cube 1, chicken powder 1, and everything is 1 tablespoon here. Now add it in and mix well. Once you see it turns like this, add half cup of cabbage. And now add 1 capsicum and 1 tomato. Now that it is ready, let's move on to the next step. These are tortillas. If you don't have them, you can use the roti and cut them into circles. Now I'm cutting the tortillas into circle like this with the help of the cutter. Now here you can see there are many of them. Now take a dish and just follow the steps as shown. Curve it up a little and add the mixture that was made. Now keep adding and making as much as you want. As you can see, now we're done. Now we are just gonna add some cheese over it on every single tortilla. Also just garnish some dry mint over it and some sesame seeds. Now bake it for 20 minutes till it's golden and brown. Now that it's done, our yummy recipe is ready to eat. I hope you enjoyed today's video. If you did, don't forget to subscribe, like and share, and you must try this recipe out. Thanks for watching everyone.